Hello and welcome to this course which I title Creating Strong Backlinks and Using Social Media Platforms to Drive Traffic to Your Business. My name's Dan Greisenhout and I am the author of this course. Since 1999, I have been an internet entrepreneur and have earned over $2 million online from my online business ventures. During the last 2 years, I have become an online business and marketing instructor and now have over 19,000 students taking my courses online. I have published 9 related business and marketing books and own and operate a digital marketing agency called Awareness Digital Marketing Services. With over 35 years of professional business and marketing consulting projects behind me, I'm also considered to be a high-end enterprise systems architect and project manager, and I have led projects globally valued in the tens of millions of dollars. Some of the Fortune-level clients that I've completed work for include Air Canada and WestJet Airlines, JP Morgan Chase Bank, Gateway Inc., Ernst & Julio Gallo Wines, Blue Cross Blue Shield, TRW and the U.S. Air Force, 3M Health Information Systems, Tong Yang Insurance in South Korea, Nextel Communications, MCI, New York Police Department, Hibernia Management Development Corporation, which by the way is a $1.2 billion offshore drilling venture, Ontario Hydro, and more. At one time, I was a senior consultant with KPMG Pete Marwick, and also the national practice leader for enterprise systems architecture design projects for a 17,000-person IT consulting company called MCI System House. This online marketing-related course centers around strategies that you can employ to market your business online, utilizing several social media platforms and by creating additional third-party backlinks to help improve your online business presence in the eyes of such search engines as Google and Yahoo Bing. The course begins by drilling down on the largest social media platform of them all, Facebook, and it shows you how to set up Facebook business pages that will help promote your business and build strong backlinks to online assets of yours that get people positioned to buy from you online. I devote an entire section of the course to Facebook due to its global position and massive reach to consumers, so be sure to go through the lectures in detail on this topic. The second module in the course discusses a myriad of strategies that you can employ online to build a greater online presence and build sustainable traffic to your website or other landing pages that you wish potential consumers to reach. The concepts of building online sales funnels are explored, and related strategies such as email marketing, conducting webinars, writing articles, and more are discussed. Both active and passive marketing strategies are drilled down upon within this module. And last, the third and final module in the course is reserved to bring you strategies that you can employ on other significant social media platforms that are worthy of pursuit, both for online visibility purposes and for the building of even more quality backlinks to your website. Herein, I discuss such sites as YouTube, Pinterest, Amazon, and Goodreads. There is a lot of very valuable content that becomes yours through taking this course, so I encourage you to go through these lectures and more than once. Should you be taking this course? Well, you decide, but I will say that the course targets home business entrepreneurs, small businesses, and corporations that have published websites and or products and services that they wish to promote online. Any business person involved in some way with the internet today would obtain value from the lectures found within this course. More specifically, benefits that you can expect to receive would include, but would not be limited to the following. First, an in-depth knowledge on how to get your business set up on Facebook and be able to use it to generate traffic, sales leads, and even business directly from the site. Next, you'll receive an overview of how sales funnels work and strategies that you can employ online to start filling up your sales funnels with prospects that will lead to future sales. And you'll also receive a discussion of strategies that you can employ to get visible on several key social media platforms to help you build backlinks, find prospects, and generate income. So if you find that this business generating knowledge would be useful to you and your related business, I encourage you to sign up and go through these course lectures several times, as there is a lot of useful content within for you to absorb. See you on the inside. Bye for now.